If you want to change the language in CapCut on PC, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to switch CapCut Desktop to your preferred language in just a few clicks. This is a quick and easy fix if your app opened in the wrong language, if you want a more comfortable editing experience, or if you just want to personalize your workspace. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. It really helps the channel and it lets you know when new guides are uploaded. Alright, let's jump into it. First, open the CapCut Desktop app on your PC. Once the app launches, you'll usually see the startup window or the main dashboard. Look toward the upper right corner of the window and find the gear icon. This is the settings button and it's where you can change several app preferences, including the language. Click that gear icon to open the drop-down menu. From the menu, select Settings. Once the settings panel opens, look for the language tab. In some versions of CapCut, this may appear under the General tab instead, so if you don't see language right away, check there as well. After you open the correct tab, you'll see a list of available languages. Scroll through the options and choose the language you want CapCut to use. This is the language that will be shown across the app interface, menus, and tools. Once you've selected your preferred language, click Save or OK to confirm the change. After that, CapCut may ask you to restart the app so the new language settings can fully take effect. If you see a restart button, go ahead and click it. CapCut will close and reopen with the updated language applied. Once the app reloads, you should notice that the interface has changed to your selected language. If it doesn't appear right away, don't worry. Just make sure the restart completed properly and check the settings again if needed. And that's it. You've now successfully changed the language in CapCut on PC. It only takes a moment and now your editing experience should feel much more comfortable and easy to use. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more CapCut and PC software tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.